Here are a couple of questions on proportionality. Now, marks literally drip off the trees with these questions. They are very formulaic. Once you've got the equation, they'll give you an example and you have to work out the other variable. So they're telling me here that y is directly proportional to x. So it's on the same line. If it was inversely proportional to x, it would be 1 over x. Just to explain what that means is that if we have a relationship between y and x, that relationship, that proportional relationship, could be like that, or could be like that, or could be like that. All of the lines I've drawn, y is proportional to x. So the one thing we don't know is effectively the gradient, which is why I can say that the next line should introduce a constant. In these questions, we use k as the constant rather than m, the gradient of a straight line, because it's not always y and x that are given to you. So the next line to write down is therefore y is equal to kx. Now they give me a value of x and a value of y, which are coincident. They happen at the same time. So all I need to do is sub x is equal to 500 and y is equal to 10 into this equation here and find k. So therefore, y being 10, so 10 is equal to k multiplied by 500. Straight away, 2 of those noughts will go, and therefore I can say k is equal to 1 over 50. So my equation completed now is that y is equal to x over 50. And that's the answer to part A. So now in part B, we need to find the value of y when x is equal to 350. Well, now we can use our equation and we now sub those values above into y is equal to x over 50. And we get, therefore, y is equal to x being 350 divided by 50, and we get the answer of 9. And that is your answer, and you've just got 4 marks. Another proportional question. D is inversely proportional to C, then they give us 2 coincident values, and then find the value of D when yeah, okay, so it's the same thing. I told you they were easy. So the equation is that D is inversely proportional to 1 over C, and therefore D is equal to K, the constant, over C. That constant will be found by subbing C is equal to 280 and D is equal to 25. Therefore we get that 25 is equal to K over 280, and therefore k is equal to 25 multiplied by 280, which is equal to 7,000. It's always good when your answer is a really good clean number. It probably means you're on the right track. Now they want us to find the value of d. Oh, so therefore our equation, fully completed, is that d is equal to 7,000 divided by c. Now they want us to find d when c is equal to 350. Okay, what we get is that d is equal to 7,000 divided by 350. Straight away those zeros will cancel, and as 35 goes into 70 twice, we've got another 0 here. The answer to this is 20. And that is your answer.